Hello everyone, in this video I will show you two solutions for the DLL error that happens in KRNL. First solution. Make sure the antivirus is turned off. To check if the antivirus is turned off, let's write protection in the start menu. And let's open virus and threat protection. Let's go down the screen a little and click on manage settings. And here, in real-time protection, it needs to be turned off, so to turn it off, just click on the button. Now click yes. That's it, your antivirus has been disabled, but remember, if you have other antiviruses on your PC, you also need to disable them. Second solution. Reinstall KRNL. Press the Windows and R keys. And now type app data and click OK. Open the roaming folder. And now, just delete the KRNL folder. Now download KRNL again, but I will not show how to download in this video, because YouTube can delete my video. So that's it guys, these were the solutions to fix DLL errors that happen in KRNL. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.